Use a vegan, but you going ham.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Pretty Brown Vegan, the place for plant-based comfort foods. Today's video, I will be showing y'all how I made this super bomb vegan fish sandwich. I will be showing you guys the seasonings, everything from the breading from start to finish. This sandwich came out super fire. It was too bomb per usual and super easy. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made this, go ahead and stay tuned. Alright, so to go ahead and get started, we will be making these fish sandwiches out of hearts of palm. So I did take a can of hearts of palm and drain them, and then I went ahead and cut each piece right down the middle as you see here and flatten them out. And so I just repeat that on each piece of the hearts of palm, and I did end up making about 3 fish fillets today. Once we have those flattened out, we are going to go ahead and hit those with some seasoning. I do season both sides with some Old Bay, some black pepper, some sea salt as well. So they're really tender, so just be gentle with them as you flip them over and make sure that you thoroughly season them on both sides. Then we're going to go ahead and start with our dry and wet breading. For the dry breading, I'm just using cornmeal. And then for the wet breading, I am combining flour, a bunch of add-ins and seasonings, and some water. So I'm going to start with some all-purpose flour, and then I use 1 pack of seaweed snacks. Put in some fresh herbs like some oregano, some basil, put in some dill as well, and then I come in with some seasonings. I do hit it with some Old Bay seasoning. I also put in some black pepper, and then I come in with that water, and then I just go ahead and add a little water at a time until it reaches a nice consistency. The consistency that I'm looking for is a little bit thick but loose enough, just loose enough to where it's not too cakey or thick, but thin enough to where you're able to drip off the excess. And then I also come in with some Cajun seasoning here. I just like to look at the wet batter to see if it looks seasoned enough, if I can see the seasoning all through the mixture before I get to breading. And then once the wet is seasoned to my desired liking, then I just go ahead and dip the fillet or the hearts of palm into the wet mix, and then I put it into the dry mix. And I just repeat that on each piece of the hearts of palm. And then I do get this going into some hot oil. Make sure the oil is hot before you put the fillets in there. And I just go ahead and fry it on both sides until it's golden brown. And that's it. Once it's golden brown on each side, you are ready to put that on your sandwich. I just did some lettuce, tomato, mustard, relish, vegan mayo, however you like your fish fillet sandwich. And it was too fire. It was nice and crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. That seaweed flavor and the Old Bay really gives it that seafood essence that you look for when you have a fish sandwich. So it was too bomb. If you guys are interested, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you're going to be giving this a try. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.